Hey guys, Eddie Mead here from Cardiff International Whitewater. Today we're going to go through the wrap-free pull to anchor, which is a really nice single point anchor if you're using a piece of tape. So the great thing about it is it's really versatile. It's a load distributing anchor, which means that if what you're pulling starts to move, the anchor will distribute that load equally within the anchor, so you won't end up stressing or loading a single part of the anchor. It will just flow with whatever you're pulling, which is really nice and versatile. Cool, so first of all we can practice this in our own home. You can do it off a table leg, a chair leg, anything like that. If you're lucky enough to have a garden with trees in it, then you can have a little practice in that. So first of all, we're going to grab our piece of tape. Alright, got an anchor, and then we're going to wrap it around 3 times, nice and simple. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to find our 2 ends. Want them to be relatively equal. Now we got options here. We can do a tape knot like we did in our last video, or because, and I'll show you why, this knot isn't going to see any load, we can do a simple overhand knot, ensuring that we've got some tail either side, just like that. Okay, so once we've tied off, whether a tape knot or an overhand knot, we're going to grab our 2 strands on the anchor and we're going to work our way. We're going to give us a little jiggle. What we want is we want this knot to end up in the middle of this anchor facing us. Okay, now the reason for that is it doesn't matter how much force we put on this anchor now, this knot will not see that load, okay, because of the friction around the tree. That's why we can get away with doing an overhand knot, is because we will be able to undo that knot once we dismantle this anchor. Either overhand or a tape knot, either or will work. Just making sure we leave a nice bit of tail out from the knot just in case there is any slippage. From here we'll clip in and then we can build our system from there. And as I said, load distributing, which means wherever our load moves, our anchor is going to move and keep supporting it evenly.